Hi, we are going over the statistics review. We are going to first go over mean, median, mode, and range. To find the mean is to find the average. So that means we add all the numbers up and then divide by how many there are. So 12 plus 13 plus 5 plus 8. So we have 38, and we are going to divide that by 1, 2, 3, 4. My average, my mean is 9.5. Okay, finding the median. You line the numbers up from greatest to least or least to greatest. It doesn't really matter. And then you are going to find the middle number. If there are two numbers in the middle, then you add those up and divide by 2. So first thing, I'm going to do greatest to least. I'm crossing these off as I write them down so I know that I've used it. My middle number is 14. Mode is most often. So what number do I see the most? That would be 72. Range is subtract the smallest from the largest. So my largest is 124. My smallest is 54. Therefore, my range is 70. All right, we have shapes of graphs. We have symmetrical, skewed to the right, and skewed to the left. So symmetrical means the same on both sides. So it would look something like this. This is just a sketch. It's not going to be perfect. Skewed to the right would look something like this. And skewed to the left. Looks something like that. Stem and leaf plots. So this is what a stem and leaf plot looks like. This is the stem. These are the leaves. And it gives me a key. So 6-4 means 64. So it says how many data points are in the data set. The way I count that is counting these over here. So this would be 22, 24, 28. So I'm just going to count the leaves. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. So 22 data points. And then it says, what is the median of the data set? Okay, so that means I'm going to do least to greatest or greatest to least and find the middle. You could list these out all in a line like this. and so on. Or you can do it, this is how I would do it, cross off at beginning, cross off end, till I get to the middle. Then I have 6 and 7 in the middle, so I need to add these up and then divide by 2. My median is 6.5. Percent bar graphs. A survey was taken about a group of people's favorite genre of music. If 200 people were surveyed, how many chose pop? So I have a key here. Pop is this one right here. So it goes from 20 to 50%. So that is a difference of 30%. Percents are out of 100. We surveyed 200 people. That's my whole. How do I get from 100 to 200? That's times 2. So whatever I do to the bottom, I got to do to the top. And this is a percent proportion I'm using to solve this. And that's 60 people. Create a box plot with the data points below. Label the minimum, maximum, median, Q1, and Q3. So I'm going to start by putting my list in order from least to greatest. So my minimum is 8. My maximum is 18. Now I'm going to find my median, which is 13. All right, Q1. That is my median of my top half. So Q1 is 9. And Q2 is 17. And I create my box. All right, that's my box plot. Histograms and frequency tables. Create a histogram from the frequency table. So I have my range of hours of sleep. This is my independent variable. My frequency is my dependent variable. How many people get 5 hours of sleep or less? So that's here. So that's 2 people. How many people get more than 5 hours? This is more than 5 hours, and this is more than 5 hours. So I'm going to add the 10 and the 8, and that's 18 people. Thank you so much for watching.